Nafi bin Jubair states that Marwan bin Hakam, while delivering a sermon, mentioned the inhabitants of Makkah Mukarramah and the sanctity of Makkah Mukarramah. Hazrat Rafi bin Khadij radiyallahu anhu called out to him and said, "What is the reason that I hear you talking about Makkah Mukarramah, the inhabitants of Makkah Mukarramah and the sanctity of Makkah Mukarramah, whereas you are not talking about Madinah Munawwara, the inhabitants of Madinah Munawwara and the sanctity of Madinah Munawwara? Undoubtedly, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has declared the center of the two ends of this stony land a sanctuary, and this decree written on Kholani leather is with us. If you wish, I will read it out to you." Marwan observed silence and then said, "I have also heard some of it." Sahih Muslim Hadith number 3303.